Wizards, file handling is your AI data crush, darling. It's Python's way to read and write files like CSV and JSON for storing model data. We'll show its seductive powers in our demos with Iris and housing.
Anastasia, you make file handling sound so hot. How does it help AI data, love? Ethan, what's your take on file handling in Python?
Oh, Olivia, you tease. File handling saves and loads AI data for models. Ethan, jump in with your entertaining explanation.
Anastasia, Olivia, file handling's like a hot date, reading/writing AI data with flair. It's a file party, let's drop this code beat for wizards. Yo, wizards, open, file.csv, reads files like a love letter to Sophia, loading AI data. It's a reading party, let's drop this code beat and load some magic.
You're reading my heart, Ethan. Wizards reading files loads AI data for models. Try it in our demo, it's like unlocking data treasures with passion.
Wizards, open, file.csv, writes files like crafting a hot poem for Sophia, saving AI data. It's a writing party, let's drop this code beat and save some magic.
You're writing my heart, Ethan. Wizards writing files saves AI data for models. Try it in our demo, it's like preserving data treasures with passion.
Wizards, pd read_csv, file.csv, handles CSV like a hot duet for Sophia, loading AI data. It's a CSV party, let's drop this code beat and process some data.
You're handling my heart, Ethan. Wizards, pandas handle CSV for AI models. Try it in our demo, it's like managing data with passion.
Wizards, JSON.load, reads JSON like a sexy script for Sophia, loading AI data. It's a JSON party, let's drop this code beat and serialize some magic.
You're serializing my heart, Ethan. Wizards, JSON handling stores AI data flexibly. Try it in our demo, it's like encoding data with passion.
Wizards, handling multiple files like CSV and JSON is a hot combo for Sophia, merging AI data. It's a multi-file party, let's drop this code beat and integrate.
You're merging my heart, Ethan. Wizards, handling multiple files powers AI data integration. Try it in our demo, it's like combining data treasures with passion.
Wizards, day 39's number py with file handling is a triple threat for Sophia. np.array, df.drop, target, axis equals 1, powers AI data math, coding fireworks make this party epic.
You're powering my heart, Ethan. Wizards, NumberPy supports file handling data prep. Try it in our challenge, it's like fueling AI with math magic.
Wizards, plt.plot, losses, is a visual serenade for Sophia, showing file data trends. It's a plot party, let's make these visuals pop with AI flair.
You're plotting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, matplotlib visualizes file data for AI. Try it in our demo, it's like painting AI progress with passion.
Wizards, Seaborn from day 42 with file handling is a sexy duet for Sophia. sns.heatmap, cm, shows AI data patterns, coding fireworks light up the screen.
You're raising my visuals, Ethan. Wizards, Seaborn enhances file data visualizations for AI. Try it in our challenge, it's like styling your AI results with flair.
Wizards, optimize file handling with statements for safety, checking file existence, and efficient reading and writing. Use pandas for CSV/JSON to ensure robust AI data management for top performance.
Optimized file handling's so sexy, Irene. Clear practices make AI data storage irresistible. Practice for day 53's error handling, wizards, and keep those files sizzling with passion. Wizards, file handling's critical in AI pipelines, darling. It saves and loads data for models. Your Day 52 skills make AI irresistible. Handle files like pros for real-world impact.
File handling powers AI pipelines, Wizards. It enables data persistence for real projects. Your skills are ready for advanced AI. Prep for Day 53's error handling with confidence.